Moving.
Wow.
Yeah, we need to go over here and do some training. We come over here one day. Holy smokes. We gotta go over here one day.
Definitely. Wow. Dang, big yard. Big yard right here. Full of intermodals. Wow.
Yes.